How to stay safe from WhatsApp image scan. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys few tips to stay safe from WhatsApp's image scan. So what the image scan basically is hackers and other malicious people will use the steganography to encrypt different kind of messages on the images that you get on WhatsApp. So the attacker hides the malicious code inside the image's pixel using steganography, and although it looks normal, there are some kind of specialized apps or scripts that can extract and execute that code, which they can use to steal your information or corrupt your files. So in order to stay safe from such images and scams, what you can do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner on WhatsApp and then head over to settings. Once you are on the settings page, find storage and data. And what you can do is turn off the automatic download. So if you tap on manage storage, from here you can turn off the auto download option. So simply go ahead and tap on the media auto download and then turn this one off. When using mobile data, just make sure that you select documents or none, tap on OK. Do the same thing for when connected to Wi-Fi, and when on roaming, do the same thing. So after doing this, your device won't automatically download such images to your camera roll and you will be safe from it. Then head over to the privacy settings and then make sure that you set all of these options to nobody, and even your profile picture, about contacts, links, just make sure that you set everything to nobody. You could also turn off read receipts to be on the safer side. And then from here, what you can do is your status on contact, you can just only share with certain people that you want. After doing all of this, you should be safe from such kind of scam images on WhatsApp. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.